Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how to make screenshot on your S8, S8 Plus. This operation is quite simple. All you need to do is to press and hold power and volume down key together. Let's do it. Screenshot 1. There is no sound while doing this operation. You can do a screenshot of every single screen on your phone, like you see. We also can screenshot any function of our phone. Hop. And once again, there is a volume down and power button together. Pick. Okay, I hope the video is useful for you. If yes, you can thumbs up, subscribe my channel and see you by next video. Hey!